Ready to elevate your streaming experience? Let's dive into how to buy an IPTV playlist effectively. Start by checking out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider for comprehensive options. Review their services and compare their plans to find one that fits your needs. Next, ensure that the provider supports M3U playlist. This format is essential for compatibility across devices. Once you've selected a plan, complete your purchase and receive your login credentials via email. Lastly, set up your IPTV app with the provided details and enjoy endless streaming. Remember to choose wisely and enjoy top-notch service from 2TV Store, where you can find the best IPTV solutions.